You call a governor a small boy, you pay dearly for it.
Thank you. God bless you.
You don't know what power is all about. If you know what power is all about, you don't say that governor is a small boy.
Hello guys, welcome once again to Think Tank TV. Now, I know that as you saw this topic, you're obviously wondering, is it true that the Lion of River State actually agreed to pledge his loyalty to his political godson in person of Sim Fubara? Yes, in this video, you're going to be finding out how Nyesom Wike personally implicated himself and agreed to pledge his loyalty to Sim Fubara the moment he steps out of office as the governor of River State, accepting the fact that the blessings and the authority that comes with being a governor will be stripped him off the moment he steps out as the governor of River State. Please intentionally do well to share this video so that people can get to see the kind of leaders we have gotten for ourselves. Please intentionally do well to drop your comment in the comment section. Let's get to know what you think about the words of Nyesom Wike prior to him leaving the government house. Also do well to intentionally hit the like button so that YouTube can recommend this video for more people to get to see the kind of people we have gotten as our leaders. Take a look.
It's not like those who will say, this governor is a small boy, I will not serve him. They are ignorant. They are what? Ignorant. You call a governor a small boy, you pay dearly for it.
Thank you. God bless you.
You don't know what power is all about. If you know what power is all about, you don't say that governor is a small boy. You saw when I came down to go and receive you, is it not? Were you not surprised? Because the mantle of leadership has changed. I'm no longer now. So I must
God have
give
mercy
respect
upon us.
to whom respect is due. Don't mind all those born fools who don't know what they are talking about. You are seeing a governor, you won't serve the governor, he's a small boy. What a small boy will do to you, you understand that this small boy you're talking about, the power both from heaven and earth is with him. When he descends on you, then you know that I cannot be leader.
That is the truth.
You've seen for yourself that the internet never lies, as this video has gone ahead to explain the fact that Nyesom Wike agreed that the moment he steps out of government house as the governor of River State, he is automatically stripped of the power and the blessings that come with being the governor of River State. Now, the truth must be told, and that is the fact that we must all be prospective about our words when we release them, because we never know what would happen in the nearest future. Like you can see, we can never believe that he was ever going to fall out with Sim Fubara, as he obviously would have been very cautious about some of the statements he made. You can see for yourself that he had so much audacity, believing that Sim Fubara was going to be loyal to him and agree to all the terms they allegedly had before he became the governor of River State. But finally, they are all 10 and 10 pairs, like I say. And until Sim Fubara proves that beyond the words he's saying on the internet, regardless of the fact that many people are supporting him, he's actually out there to ensure that he brings the dividend of democracy to the people, that is when we can believe him. Please intentionally do well to drop your comments in the comment section. Also go ahead to hit the like button so that YouTube can recommend this video for more people to get to see and know what exactly is happening in River State. Many thanks indeed to all our viewers and returning subscribers. We really do not take it lightly. My name again is Moses, and this is Think Tank TV. See you on our next video. Bye for now.